Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is physics. Chapter name is electricity and circuits. This is first part and it is chapter 12. Let's start. What are the chapter focus? Chapter focus are sources of electricity, electric circuit and conductor and insulator. Okay, so let's start electricity and circuit. First of all, one simple activity, things that work on electricity. Make a list of 10 objects in the table below. Put a tick or cross against the object depending whether they use electricity to work or not. A couple of examples have been done for you. आपको बताना है, सम एग्जाम्पल्स देने हैं और बताना है वो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से काम करता है, यूज होता है और नॉट. आई हैव डन few of them. Object and works on electricity. First, give an example, refrigerator. Tick means yes, it works on electricity. Door. Door are mostly made up of wood. So, door does not take electricity to move. So, we have crossed here. Does not works on electricity. Third one is ceiling fan. Yes, it works on electricity. Wooden table. Naturally, no, it does not works on electricity. Microwave oven. Yes, it works on electricity. So, I have put here a tick mark. Plastic bottles. Plastic are bad conductor of electricity. So, it does not work on electricity. Table lamp. Yes, it works on electricity. You can make of your choice. If you want, you can change. This is my choice. That's why I put it there. Okay. If you want, you can change or make a long list. Now come to electricity is indispensable in our life. Indispensable means most important thing. We cannot live without electricity. This means indispensable means very important. We use electricity almost everywhere to make our life easier. Just think, if there is no light, if there is no electricity, what we will do? We just sat down. Let light come, electricity come, then we will do things or works. करते हैं कि नहीं हम लोग? कि लाइट चला जाता है तो हम बस बैठ जाते हैं कि देयर इज़ नो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, सो वी कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग. मिक्सी नहीं चला सकते, वी कैन नॉट यूज़ मिक्सी, रेफ्रिजरेटर, माइक्रोवेव, फैन, लाइट, washing machine, most of the things are dependent on electricity. We use electricity to light our house, homes, building, road, office, market, everywhere. Devices और appliances. Appliances means सामान को बोलते हैं appliances. Electric और electrical appliances means बिजली का सामान, which are used electricity, such as fan, cooler, television and air conditioner run with electricity. You know, all these things use electricity. All these are called electrical appliances. Means electrical goods, बिजली से चलने वाला सामान. Many a time it happens that we do not get electricity Maybe due to short circuit or a power cut. In such situation, we use other sources than or like a torch, battery operated lamp. We use diya, lalten, anything but used by except electricity. Okay. Again I am repeating, many a times it happens that when we do not get electricity, there is any fault and there is no electricity in our house or home or market anywhere, maybe due to short circuit or power cut. In that situation, we use other means of source that does not take directly or indirectly electricity, such as torch or battery operated lamps. So let's learn more about these things. Now come to electrical source of electricity. Small sources means torch or battery operated things or anything. Let's see. The electricity at our homes comes from power station. At the power station, electricity is then generated with the help of coal or water. Okay, that's all for today. Electricity at our homes comes from power station. There is a thermal power from where you can see a grid any place in your nearby. You see a grid. We call it, this is substation of electricity. And that there electricity is generated through either coal or by water. This we will learn in next video. So that's all for today, I think. Yes. We will start sources of electricity in the next video. Thank you so much.